and we're going to be using it. Yeah. So as you can, well, no, I don't want to do that. So you can see how I have the house like that. Oh, I don't want to give up. Dang it. Well, my sister, which I already posted a video of her acting really bad, but she did all this dirt and stuff, and look where she put. See, so we would climb up on the house, and she put it on this side. We would climb up on the house on this side and slide down, and we would have these two cushions to save us. Well, we're not safe yet anymore. Oh my God. But I'm getting ready to mow, and I can't use my weed eater because it has no strength for it. So my neighbor still weed eats. I'm gonna try to get my headphones on. I'm gonna fix the knot. So these are the two stuff we're going to be using. I'm still looking for a shorter extension cord. But okay, let's pick up. Ah, dang it, my eyes. We still got one more cushion to go. And then I have to. This one doesn't got that much dirt on it. Ugh. So, if you have been watching my videos, well, hopefully, I used to have a dog, but we had to sell her because she bit so many darn people. She bit our 2 neighbors and my 2 friends. Is there any way to make this an extension cord? Do I have an extension cord out front? Yes. I forgot I locked the gates. I'm not going out there. Or do I have to tip the house over to get all the dirt off? I can just brush it. So we're actually not going to need the leaf blower because I'm just brushing all the dirt off. So these are the 2 things that we're going to be using for right now. Well, I gotta move my bike because I don't want to. Okay, there goes the shovel. There goes my bike. Guys, you still recording? You are. I've been doing this for 7 minutes. Okay, let's get it straight to mowing. Okay.